we are kicking things off with major industry news. Kenosha News is bringing you the latest on MEDIABIDS and the Universal Windows Direct ad from May 12, 2026. We dive deep into what this campaign means for the future of digital advertising and how these new direct placements are reshaping how brands connect with audiences right now.
Here's a simple way to protect your phone without stress. This ALAN 3-pack comes with tempered glass screen protectors, camera lens protectors, and an installation frame for an easier, cleaner fit. It's clear, case-friendly, and built to help guard against scratches and everyday bumps. Check the link in the comments to get it on Amazon.
Next up, we shift gears completely to the art scene. The Akron Art Museum is hosting an incredible transformation, turning a historic church into a stunning exhibit. We explore how Rachel Libeskind took on the challenge of reinterpreting the massive Tiffany window, moving it from a devotional object to a major piece of modern art, and the fascinating journey of preservation. Our third story is all about the tech world and big wins. Blue Connections, it just secured a massive deal, winning the BMW iX2 electric vehicle in Ingram Micro's Windows 11 upgrade drive. Find out how this collaboration between Microsoft, AMD, and others is setting a new standard for enterprise hardware modernization. And finally, we're tackling something every single user is dealing with. We break down exactly how you can make Windows 11 feel fast and clean by stripping away those annoying features. Learn the specific tweaks you need to make to disable Copilot, control startup apps, and stop unnecessary telemetry. Don't miss this essential guide. Subscribe now and join the conversation. A recent advertisement from MEDIABIDS, featuring a Universal Windows Direct campaign, was aired on Kenosha News on May 12, 2026. The ad was posted approximately 1 hour ago, indicating a very recent broadcast or publication of the content. Details regarding the specific message or product featured in the Universal Windows Direct advertisement were not provided in the source material. The Akron Art Museum has transformed stained glass windows from a former church into a compelling exhibition, shifting the focus from purely sacred imagery to artistic interpretation. 35 panels of stained glass depict the transfiguration of Christ, showcasing the divine nature of Christ hovering above the ground, revealed by a glowing light to disciples James and John. Crafted over a century ago, these restored panels feature vibrant colors ranging from sky blues to deep oranges, embodying traditional Christian storytelling through art. This transformation was driven by a confluence of events, including a 2018 fire, developer Tony Tropp's interest in preservation, and architect's daughter Rachel Libeskind's perspective. Libeskind viewed the Tiffany window not just as a devotional object, but as significant art, expressing curiosity about how an art museum could contextualize the piece. The history of the site is rich, tracing back to St. Paul's Episcopal Church, which was an early example of the Akron plan architecture, incorporating colonial and Romanesque styles. The stained glass itself was crafted by Frederick Wilson of Tiffany Studios in 1917. Following the 2018 fire, the property remained vacant until Tony Tropp purchased it in 2022. A complex restoration effort by Whitney's Stained Glass Studio involved re-leading, cleaning, and relayering the glass, revealing a multi-dimensional quality where additional layers blend to create the scene. Libeskind further enhanced the artistic presentation by creating complementary artwork, including fabric-paneled curtains with purple butterflies and installations on black walls featuring paper cutouts and religious imagery. The exhibition utilizes LED backlighting to highlight the panels, separating them from other works. Tropp's vision for the property involves repurposing it as a tech generator, reflecting the University of Akron, with the project entering a second phase focused on fundraising, including applications for grants like the Night Cities Challenge, to determine the optimal development and economic fit for the building. The story highlights the intersection of architectural history, artistic reinterpretation, and urban development in Akron. Blue Connections IT has secured a significant win in Ingram Micro's intensive Windows 11 upgrade drive, clinching a BMW iX2 electric vehicle as the top prize. This milestone concludes a 10-month partner program, which ran from June 2025 to March 2026, designed to accelerate the transition from Windows 10 and boost the adoption of modern, secure, and AI-ready endpoint devices. The initiative was a collaborative effort involving major technology partners including Microsoft, AMD, Dell Technologies, HP, and Lenovo. It was strategically timed to address the growing industry imperative for organizations to prepare for the end-of-support timeline for Windows 10, emphasizing device refresh cycles and AI readiness. During the campaign, participating partners were incentivized with entries into a major prize draw for every 50 devices sold. Ingram Micro reported that the effort significantly outperformed market expectations, achieving 39% year-on-year growth in Windows 11 Pro unit sales across calendar 2025. Anthony Ianni, director of sales at Ingram Micro, stated that the program successfully shifted partners from short-term hardware refreshes toward more strategic customer conversations. He noted, "This program was about giving partners the structure, insight, and confidence to lead meaningful discussions around modernization. Our partners embraced that opportunity and delivered outcomes that outpaced the broader market." Gordon Brownell, CEO of Blue Connections IT, emphasized the non-monetary benefits. He commented, "While we're thrilled to take out the major prize, the real benefit was the access to tools, insight, and support that helped us better serve customers and drive growth. It was a well-executed program that addressed the complexity of the upgrade landscape." Microsoft underscored the importance of partner-led programs in ensuring secure adoption ahead of the Windows 10 deadline. Chris Bright, Microsoft Australia APAC head of Windows devices, affirmed this strategy, stating, "As businesses prepare for Windows 10 end of support, programs like this play an important role in enabling partners to guide customers through the move to Windows 11 Pro." A core component of the program was the establishment of Ingram Micro's AI Advisory Council, an interactive forum connecting vendors, silicon partners, and resellers to align upgrade strategies and share frontline insights. To support execution, Ingram Micro also deployed Xvantage Power by Tools, providing partners with granular data on their customers' Windows 10 installed base, enabling data-driven, proactive engagement around AI-ready upgrades. Further enablement included Copilot colleges, along with targeted sales sessions and joint customer engagements focused on modern workspace outcomes. Ianni concluded by thanking all collaborators for setting a foundation that is now helping partners migrate customers from legacy environments to AI-powered Copilot Plus PCs at scale. Windows 11, despite its modern interface, can feel cluttered and bloated out of the box. Experts suggest a series of targeted privacy and settings adjustments can transform the operating system into a faster, more streamlined, and less intrusive experience by disabling unwanted AI features, promotions, and resource-intensive background services. The primary targets for optimization include Copilot, Bing search integration, OneDrive prompts, telemetry, and app promotions, which contribute to a marketing-heavy feel rather than a clean desktop. Addressing Copilot is a key first step. Users can uninstall the Copilot app by searching for it, right-clicking the result, and selecting Uninstall. For deep integrations, such as in Notepad, users can disable writing tools via the gear icon. To mitigate Copilot's data collection across Microsoft products, users should sign into their Microsoft account via the Copilot browser interface, navigate to Settings, disable Microsoft usage data, and delete all stored memory. Next, cleaning up startup applications is crucial for performance. By opening Task Manager and reviewing the Startup tab, users can disable unnecessary programs like OneDrive, Edge, and Xbox-related items that are not frequently used. Resource management can be further improved by disabling default tracking and ad personalization. Within privacy and security settings, users should turn off personalized offers and disable intrusive settings under diagnostics and feedback, including the option to delete diagnostic data. Finally, to curb system data collection, users can modify Windows services. By accessing services, MSC, and changing the startup type of connected user experiences and telemetry to disabled, users can prevent Windows from automatically sending device specifications, error reports, and usage signals to Microsoft, thereby conserving resources and bandwidth.